The views and opinions expressed do not necessarily reflect those of Access Fort Wayne, the Allen County Public Library, or any other supporting groups. If you'd like to produce a show, call us at 260-421-1250.
We are the Filipino American Society of Fort Wayne. I'm the secretary. Nelly
I'm Nelly, and I'm the treasurer of the FAS.
Very good.
We have a brick and mortar as of yet, but we were just talking about how that we would like to see a building.
If somebody missed this here, how could they get a hold of you?
You would probably just need to contact President Donna, or on Facebook. We do have a social media presence.
Okay, what's your name, Facebook?
A Filipino American Society, Fort Wayne, and FAS is the acronym for the group, and the object of the society is to promote Filipino culture here in Fort Wayne.
Very good. There's a lot of Filipinos here in Fort Wayne.
There is.
There really is.
There is. So we're trying to get more members because we don't have an office yet. No, we just have events. It's a lot of like meeting at people's houses, but hopefully that will change soon. Normally, our biggest events are like Thanksgiving and the Christmas parties. They have them over there by Frankie Park at the pavilion.
Not
there.
just Filipinos, but anybody can come and join your organization.
Anybody can.
Anybody,
Yep. The membership fees are over there on the dryer race board at the front of the table.
All right.
So if you want to get a shot of that, help promote our group.
That's what I want to do.
Thank you. Salamat po.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
What are your meetings like?
We do a lot of Zoom. I actually am an over-the-road truck driver, so I am just in town for this event. We do meetings in person, maybe once every month or every few months, depending on what it is. Three Rivers. Yeah, so we have the banquets. The biggest ones are the Thanksgiving and the Christmas. We did a Valentine's event. That was a formal event. Everybody got all dressed up, and we had music and dinner and dancing at the country club out south. And we're just trying to develop more.
For the people who missed it, how can you become a member?
Let's grab this. All right. So there's the membership there. If you'd like to get involved, you would just contact our president. That's Donna. I don't want to give her phone number on here, but you
tell us how to get a hold of you guys again.
You could message us on the Facebook page, Filipino American Society of Fort Wayne.
Very good.
Okay.
Thank you so much. What's your name?
Rui Darling.
Okay.
Yeah.
Say it one more time.
Rui Darling.
Okay, retarded. And what's your booth about?
We have like Japanese food, like sushi, and some drink like Japanese soda. It's very attractive for the kids because they're totally different drinks.
Yeah.
And also we have Chinese food. Yeah.
Yes. You also come to the Cherry Blossom when they had that here?
Yes, we did, but very good.
Yeah, we enjoyed that too very much.
That was very good.
I didn't get a chance to interview you there.
Oh.
But, so I'm glad I'm interviewing you here. So.
And also we have a restaurant located in at 918 Woodland Plaza Run.
Okay.
Yeah, in the on the Coldwater Road with Dupont Road, that section, and close to Trace Bank.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very good. Okay.
Yeah,
know
we
where
have
that's
big menu,
at. Okay.
a lot of stuff.
All right.
If you can find the thing you like,
Yeah, I like Japanese food. I do. I
yeah.
think, Bev, you like Japanese food too, don't you?
Yes, and you said you have Chinese also.
Chinese too.
Oh, okay.
So
Oh, is this Japanese or Chinese?
those are, we have both.
Oh, both. Okay.
Yes, this our menu, so it's a lot
Okay.
stuff.
Okay, you're from Japan?
I'm from China.
Oh, no problem, no problem.
Yeah, and also we have staff like from Indonesia and
Okay.
also from Japan and also from China and from Vietnamese.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very good. You
Yeah.
have quite a menu.
Yes,
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 really
and
good.
also our staff is from different places and
Do you
they
have
are
a- Do you
nice.
have a phone number people can call your restaurant?
Yes, our restaurant phone number is 260-755-3030.
All right.
Yeah.
Very good.
And we have websites,
Okay, what's that? What's your name your website?
Python-fin@gmail.com.
What we'll do is we'll put that on the interview. I'll put that on the bottom of the screen.
Oh,
Yeah.
thank you so
That's
much.
okay when we do the interview.
Yeah, we are.
Well, who do you have here
Ready.
with you?
Oh, this is my partner,
Okay.
Hi, how are you?
Tony.
Hi, Tony.
Hi,
How are you?
good.
Good, good. So, can you find you at the restaurant also?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're probably one of the main cooks or something, huh?
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
All right, very good. Which one of your best dishes you like to make?
You mean sushi part
Yeah.
or
Yeah,
he made sushi?
sushi. Okay.
Yeah.
Very good. Sushi. Come in, get sushi. It's good.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Very good.
Is this your Chinese?
Yes, yes.
I thought that looked like Chinese.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Good. Okay. Let's see. And what are your hours at your restaurant?
We open every day,
Yeah.
Sunday through Thursday from 11 to 9.
11 to
And
9.
Friday, Saturday from 11 to 10.
Very good.
Yeah.
Okay. Invite everybody to come to your restaurant. Go
Yes.
ahead and invite them. Say, come to my restaurant.
Yeah. So we are waiting for you guys to come in, and we have a good service, good food, and good everything.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I like
मैं गरीब मैं मस्कीन, मैं गरीब मैं मस्कीन, तेरा नाम है अदारा, तेरा नाम है अदारा, मैं अंधले की टेक, तेरा नाम धुंधकारा, मैं अंधले की टेक, तेरा नाम धुंधकारा, जाना तो बिना पिता माता चलत महात दिवस रात दोय दाई दाया खेलै सगल जगत चंगियाइया बुराइया बाजै धर्म दूर नानक के मुख उजले केती छुट्टी ना वाहिगुरू ਸਾਹਿਬ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ
You're gonna be right here. We're not playing. Then how about we go like? Okay, time out. What is it? Down the street. Now I found out in my room and it's really old. Sure. We're making like a sprayer kind of. Ready? I'm about to throw it. And then you go right here. Right here.